Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a simple lead generation workflow in Notion just with Notion automation, so you don't need Make.com or Zapier. So what's the general idea? The general idea is if someone fills out your lead survey, you get their data, you then the data automatically get transferred in your lead survey kickoff call database. Whenever they sign up, they get an automated email which says thank you, and we are just looking at them right now. And then if you choose that you approve them, they get an email with a calendar link where they can book a meeting with you. And if you not approve them, for example, because you think it's a spam or whatsoever, they just get a, oh, thank you, but we're fully booked out at the moment. So yeah, let's look at an example. This is the lead survey. Let's just type our name. I'm always using the same name, Johnson's Farming. What is the email address? And we are interested in automation strategy. So now it got sent, and you see that it pops up in our database. What happened right now is that they also got an email. If we now go into our email, we can see, oh, it's a bit zoomed out. Hey, dear John Johnson, thank you much for to show you how we could have with your automation strategy. We'll get with you in contact shortly. So yeah, this is basically what's going on in our email folder right now. Yeah, how this automation works, you can see it here. Whenever a page is added, it sends an email from our Gmail account. At the moment, it only works with Gmail to the file, what is your email? This is this property because it's an email. Yeah, and then it just comes with some hard-coded text and then a mixture of hard and liquid coded. So, dear trigger page, what is your name? Trigger page, what is your name? Is again a property here, and yeah, it just sends this email. It usually takes 3 to 5 minutes for this email to be delivered, so don't be frustrated if you set up this workflow and you don't get an email right away. It takes some time. Then the next automation which runs is that it adds this potential client, this lead, to the database lead survey kickoff call. And the idea of this database is that you now have to choose whether you approve them or you not approve them. If you approve them, so let's just click approved. They get an email, just like this one. Again, sorry for book your kickoff call. Hey, John Johnson, we're looking forward to working with you. Book your first free kickoff call now. This is a Google Calendar link. Yeah, where they can just book a 30-minute call with you. If you decide you do not want to work with them, they get a thanks for your interest in working with us. Thank you for working with us. Unfortunately, we are all booked out at the moment. This happens if you click on not approved. So there's again an email workflow behind. Whenever you choose the pre-check is approved, they get your calendar link to your email calendar, and they can just book a 30-minute slot or however long you decide to create it. And if you click on not approved, they just get this polite email which tells them that you're all booked out right now. So how does it work from a technical perspective? It's two automation, one for the kickoff call when it's approved and one for the rejection email. So let's look at the kickoff call. So if pre-check is set to approved, it again sends an email to what is your email, which is the property book your kickoff call. And then again, we have a bit of liquid code, which is from the database, and the calendar link, which is part of the database. And yeah, then we're looking forward to you whatsoever. And the reject email works completely the same. So if the pre-check is set to not approved, they get an email which just says thank you, but we're fully booked out at the moment. So how does the calendar link get added to this database? This happens when the automation transfers the responses to the kickoff calls database. So what happens here is, you see it's another automation, and it just maps those two pages, and the calendar link is I just copy paste my link in here. So what is yours comes from what is yours. You see how it works. So it just links those pages and then adds the calendar link. So yeah, this is a just simple idea how such a workflow could work. As you've seen, it's completely made with Notion automations. It's really easy. I have here a bit of a introduction, and then you have those two databases. If you're interested in more technical details, sign up to our free Patreon. The link is below in the description. And yeah, I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much.